자, 캐나다 국경에 도착했습니다. 헬로. 이분은 그 5acre의 집을 가지신. I saw your LinkedIn. You're 12 years app developers. 와, 크루즈에서 만나가지고 어떻게 알게 된 인연인데요. 5acre의 집을 가지고 있다고 해가지고 안에 뭐 차가 12개인가 20개인가 차가 이제 오토바이 포함해서 20개 있다고 하고 굉장한 이제 차고를 가지고 있다고 해가지고 한번 구경해 보려고 합니다. How many cars do you have?
I don't. I don't count them.
와,
13, 15?
13, 15?
I don't know.
Why you have so many cars?
We work on them, we play with them, we rebuild the engines, and this one has a full-size Olympic pool.
Wow. Yeah.
But the other one has an ice rink for hockey.
In their house?
No, in another building.
How many houses in this place?
I think 12.
12. You know each other?
The ones close to me, and I know some of them.
They
See,
live.
well, when you have gates,
Yeah.
like everybody has gates.
Yeah.
So you can't go to the house and just knock on the door, right?
You have 3 cargo garage.
Yes. From that white fence
Yeah.
all the way to kind of back over there,
Wow.
and then all the way to the very back, that white fence back there.
Oh yes.
Yeah, we'll walk it later. I'll bring you in the house first,
Okay.
so you can say hi to Laura. You can't record in the house though.
Okay. So this area you don't use.
All the way, yeah.
How to control your growth?
We have a big lawnmower. We found this. This was all underground. We were cutting the grass,
Yeah.
and Laura's foot, her leg fell into a hole
Yeah.
right here.
Oh yeah.
And when we dug out the hole,
Yeah. Wow. What? 뭐야 이거? This destination is in the house?
no,
No?
it goes to a room.
Yeah.
The room is here.
Our room is here.
Yeah, big though. Like go that way. Keep going. Yeah, go out like that.
Can I go inside?
Sure. You know what? Let's get a ladder.
Yeah.
We'll get a ladder, and then you can go in
Okay.
after.
After. Wow, your house like Ajit.
So
There are
here.
many things. Oh.
See that rope there? Go get that rope and bring it here. Okay.
This is gym line.
Hang on. Now your turn. Come this way. So you got to go up in the tree.
Yeah.
Here.
On the tree?
Yeah. Go underneath. Push it up. It's a door.
Go?
Yeah. Hold on tight. Legs up, up, up.
Whoa.
This time, bounce, bounce. With your feet, bounce.
굉장히 재밌습니다. It made your son?
Yeah, we made this.
You made this. Wow.
Yeah. When the boys were little.
Oh, shit. Oh. 안 되는데. You are using this? Oh. Can. They doing this?
Oh yeah. It's like walking on the moon.
Oh, lucky walking on the moon.
Yeah. Big, big.
Woohoo! Woohoo! Okay.
Alexa, turn on the shop lights.
Whoa.
So that's the engine
Engine?
for the little car.
Yeah.
and then all of the tools. And this is a 1955,
Yeah.
and then he's gonna put them together.
와, 뭐야 이거? They can control these lines.
Yes. This is all Duramax,
Yeah.
a Duramax truck. That's a cold cut saw, so when you cut metal, and then an 80-ton press.
How many years you work for?
I think it's 11.
11. When you start making cars or?
When I was a kid, I started buying like old cars that broke down all the time. So then you fix them.
뭐야 이거? This is for making wood?
Alexa, turn off the air filter.
뭔데 이거? 와, 우와 뭐야 이거? 와, it's so amazing. You made this.
Yes.
There have this stick. Ah, stick over there.
Dartboard.
Yeah.
And then another race machine. So my kids built this. This is an old box,
Yeah.
but they built all of this. This is an Xbox.
Oh.
Right?
Yeah. Wow.
And then so all of this is for these tools.
Yeah.
But it also, and then this whole floor
Yeah.
was firewood. This whole floor was $400.
It's cheap.
Yeah, very cheap.
Wow. Or yourself.
Yep.
How many days to make this?
We didn't make the building, but all of this,
Yeah, or
2 or 3 years at
2 or
least.
3 years.
Not constant. For a long time, this was just storage.
Yeah.
We didn't, like, nothing was in here, just garbage.
Yeah.
Like
Just
stuff.
garbage. Yeah.
And then we decided to turn it, during COVID,
Yeah.
we built this.
Ah, during COVID.
During COVID, we built this.
Ah, you can go anyway.
Yeah, so then we can stay home and play games. And my son Tyler built, my middle son,
Middle son.
he built this during COVID.
How'd you get this box and
He made
monitors?
it. He built it.
You built it?
Yeah, with all the tools.
Like, we bought the TV and the little
Yeah.
components, but bought the wood. He printed out stickers.
Yes, he has our name.
Design. That's our last name.
Ah, this printer?
Yeah.
Do we have printer?
No,
No.
at the school.
He had it at his high school.
But see on the
High school.
on the sides too.
Yeah. Wow. 오, 느낌 좀. Wow, your shop's like a industry.
So these are all the like Volkswagen and Audi.
This is yours?
Yeah.
It's so big, like a bus. 오, 뭐야 이거? 오, 와우, 뭐야 이거? 오, 뭐야 이거?
2 sinks,
Wow.
fridge and freezer.
Freezer. This is bedroom.
Yep.
Oui. Ah, and sleep here.
It's got a microwave,
Microwave.
Air conditioning.
Yeah.
Has everything a house has. So this is from Florida. Military.
Military.
Okay, I'll turn this around. How do I do that? We also live kind of in a park,
오.
but that's our house.
Yeah.
All those flowers we have just up the front of the house because I wanted the kids to look after them. We have a cozy little patio.
오.
So there's Jeff's shop.
Jeff shop.
Yeah. And then my parents' camping trailer. Like that's where they live in the summer when they visit.
아.
Our barn has lots of storage.
Yeah,
There's a little
see all
log
these
cabin
buildings?
and
Yeah.
stuff. But yeah, I think our house is a lot hotter than it is what the thermometer says.
뭐야 이거?
pineapple.
오.
Yeah, it's 26 degrees. But we have these heaters on top. We don't run that all the time, only if we've had a lot of cool weather, then we'll boost
How old is he?
Teddy is 12 years old.
Oh.
He's going into junior high in September. But he's our youngest.
Teo needs somebody to teach him how to use the arcade. Can you come and help work?
Yeah. Okay, nice to see you, Teo. And are you just coming for the day or are you sleeping overnight there?
Just for the day.
Well, you're always welcome to if you want to come for
You
a
want to go to
visit, too.
Edmonton?
Edmonton.
It's 3 hours that way.
It's 3 hours.
If you ever want to come to Edmonton, just let us know, and yeah, you can always stay here too. So
Well, if I go to Edmonton this week, I'll throw them in the truck.
sounds good.
Okay, talk to you guys later.
Okay.
Okay,
Bye.
Bye.
Problem is, we don't sit here that often.
Oh.
Too many projects.
Yeah.
I feel bad if I just sit here.
So you have a plan to move other place?
Maybe.
Oh, it's so hard to move everything.
With all of this stuff, it'd be very hard.
It's very hard.
Moving the shop is the hardest. Moving the house is easy.
How many days you're planning to move all this stuff?
Oh, take a couple weeks.
Yeah, go for it. Oh, thanks.
Anyways, then a nurse called me back.
For you. Just throw them.
Throw it? It's okay?
No.
What kind of work you do?
I work for the company that does the power lines
Ah.
for all the electricity. My area of expertise is called operational technology. That means technology outside.
Oh.
So technology on the poles, technology in trucks, technology in buildings. That's my area of expertise. That's why I deal with all the technology.
Me
Yeah.
and Rod.
Yeah.
So we went with our backpacks hiking for 5 days.
For 5 days. Wow, all together hiking?
Yep.
In where? Loki?
Vancouver Island.
This looks so amazing. Who took this picture?
We all did.
We all did? Wow, how can make this books?
Just on the internet.
Internet.
Like $40 for the book.
$40? Oh, cheap.
Yeah, and then you have it forever.
Yeah.
47 kilometers was the distance of the
Oh.
hike.
And less.
7,500.
7,500.
Yeah.
Scale is different.
That's not even across Canada.
Yeah. In Korea, we never imagine like this. How many days?
To drive there,
We
we did it in 2 days.
30
Oh.
hours.
We drove there 30 hours, no stopping.
Ah. You change it driver
Yeah,
or
yeah.
7? Raspberry. Oh.
Have you picked raspberries before?
Oh no, it's
Okay,
my first time.
So these are sharp, okay?
Sharp, yeah.
Like, and if they're purple,
Yeah.
that's good.
Purple good.
Good.
Only summer?
Yeah. Remember, -40.
This all die? When
Oh yeah.
so you have to
No, it comes back next year.
$30?
$30.
Whoa.
It's hard in Alberta to get fresh fruit, like
Oh.
really fresh.
Yeah,
That's why on the cruise ship it was so nice because there was all the fruit. The pineapple was so good.
Now, just grab some to eat.
Good. Hi. I'm we met in cruise.
Okay.
So I just nice to meet you.
Is it okay that he filmed? And then
Hi.
Kyle.
Cowboy Kyle. Noah's building the truck.
Oh, that truck.
That's Noah's truck. Yeah.
Oh no, sir.
This is Tyler.
Yeah.
He built the arcade machines.
Oh.
Here,
Oh.
No.
like this.
Whoa.
Tyler also does a
Whoa. 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 Whoa.
Holy, when did it come off the tree?
Oh,
like that?
and we go into avalanche chute paths that are like 200 feet long.
You're going for a ride?
What is this?
Get in.
Get it?
This is a side-by-side off-roading vehicle.
Off-roading. 오! 와! 뭐야 이거? 와, 온다. 우와!
So this one I hand built myself.
오,
So this is out of Japan.
yeah.
I bought it from Japan
Yeah.
and I imported it.
Yeah.
So everything from the engine to
Yeah.
the body,
Yeah.
custom paint.
오.
This is an old van of ours. It has over 1 million kilometers on it.
Million kilometers.
1 million kilometers.
와.
But the engine on her is still good.
Yeah. 오.
So it will be going into another vehicle. So this truck
Yeah.
will have that engine eventually.
어.
Here, it gets mixed into a ratio, goes into the intake. In Canada, and especially in Alberta, every person owns a truck. Every single person, almost every single truck, because we get so much snow in the winter. And our roads are so rough, and everyone owns a trailer, and everyone owns. Also, sometimes I like to come down here, set up a towel and stuff, and go swimming in this. My biggest fear out here is running into a moose. A moose weighs about 4,000 pounds.
Yeah.
So at the bottom of their like main body branch would probably be about here. So they're really tall and very heavy, like big antlers that are about 12 to 18 feet wide. So they're just massive animals and creatures. And if you're ever driving and you come across one and you hit it, no more. That'd probably be perfect.
Yeah, I need to be a little higher still.
Now you're good in volleyball?
Yeah, because I'm tall. So I was a part of the best 12 guys in all of Alberta. So then I'm a middle. So I hit and I block.
오.
But I don't play in the back row. I don't do any passing. I only walk and swing.
오.
Have a good day.
Have a good day. Bye, Lord.
See ya.
자, 오늘 어마어마한 집을 갔는데요. 5에이커에다 차가 한 몇 대인지 모르겠어요. 차가 몇 대인지 모르겠고 아무튼 와 굉장한 집이었는데요. 로드도 엄청 대단하지만 아들들도 와 장난 아니더라고요. 진짜 다 이제 한 가닥씩 하는 게 진짜 어떻게 크루즈에서 만나가지고 이렇게 좋은 인연을 갖게 되고 더 열심히 살아야겠다. 아무튼 오늘 영상 봐주셔서 감사드리고요. 이상 나가는 태태고였습니다. What kind of shelter you do?
I'm Homura from Uruguay.
와 진짜 장관이네요. 나야가라 폭포도 보고 또 천둥도 치고 있어요. 와. 대박이다 대박. 와 비 온다 비 온다.